How many times has this happened to you? You open Instagram just for 2 minutes, and suddenly 1 hour disappears. But when you sit to study, even 10 minutes feels heavy. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how do we turn studying into something we actually enjoy? Maybe even something we get addicted to. Today, I'll share practical, science-backed tricks to make studying as addictive as scrolling reels. 1. Understanding the real addiction. Before we learn how to get addicted to studying, we need to understand why reels are addictive in the first place. Reels are short, they're colorful, they give instant rewards. Your brain gets a dopamine hit every few seconds. Dopamine equals the chemical of motivation and craving. Now imagine if we use the same psychology, but for studying. Yes, it's possible. 2. The 10-minute rule. Reels feel easy because they're short. Studying feels hard because we try to do too much at once. So here's your new rule. Study for 10 minutes only. That's it. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes, just 10. Your mind doesn't resist small tasks. Once you start, you'll naturally continue longer. The hardest part is the beginning, and 10 minutes makes it easy. 3. The dopamine reward loop. Here's the real addiction hack. After every 15 minutes of studying, give yourself a tiny reward. 1 reel, 1 chocolate, 1 stretch, 1 sip of coffee. This tricks your brain. It starts associating studying with pleasure, the same way it associates reels with pleasure. 4. Aesthetic studying works, and why? Let's be honest. We all study better when things look cute, when your environment feels calming and beautiful. Your brain naturally wants to spend more time there. A clean desk, soft lighting, and colorful notes make studying feel like a vibe, not a burden. 5. Turn studying into a game. Games are addictive because they challenge your brain just the right amount. So, turn your study routine into a game. On-screen challenges. Finish this page before the timer ends. Solve 5 questions without looking at notes. Can I beat yesterday's score? This keeps your brain alert and excited. When studying becomes a game, you crave it. 6. Create a study streak. You know why Snapchat streaks are addictive? Because once you start them, you don't want to break them. Do the same with studying. Every day you study, mark a tick. After a week, you'll have a streak. After a month, you'll feel unstoppable. 7. Replace useless reels with study reels. On social media, you get what you consume. If you watch random drama, you'll crave drama. If you watch study content, you'll crave productivity. Start by replacing 5 minutes of useless scrolling with study reels, motivation, tips, aesthetic videos. Slowly, your feed becomes your teacher. 8. Start with the easiest subject. Never start your study session with a difficult chapter. It kills your motivation. Begin with something easy or something you like. This warms up your brain. Once you're in the flow, you can handle the tougher subjects easily. 9. Why this method works. Because we are not fighting the brain. We are working with the brain. Short tasks, small rewards, attractive environment, challenges, streaks, positive dopamine. When studying activates the same hormones as scrolling reels, you get addicted, but in a good way. If you felt this helped you, try it for 3 days. Just 3 days. You'll feel the shift inside you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Study and Prepare with me. And together, we're building habits that change our future.